How to add voiceover in Instagram Reels. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to add voiceover to your Instagram Reels. Without any further delay, let's just get right into it. Open up Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you want to find your Reels section down below. So all you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the Reels section down below. And from here, you can find the top left corner, the plus icon, and you can tap on it to create your reel. Now you can either record a clip or import one from your gallery. Just tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left. And you can easily select the reel that you want to add. Just tap on it, and you want to go over to the next step. Now you can get the Edits app from the top left if you want, and tap on install from here. Once you install the Edits app, I'm going to show you why it's not working on default Instagram. If I go over to drafts, and from the drafts I can click on the edit icon, it's just getting stuck on the screen from here. So if I just tap on edit at the top right, it's showing me that the screen is just stuck on this. So I'll just quickly open up the Edits app to add a voiceover from there. Now what I can do is, once Edit Apps is open, select your Instagram account to continue with. I'll just continue on with the existing account. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right and tap on Gallery. Once you've selected the video, all you have to do is tap on the voice at the bottom and just select it to add voiceover. Allow your camera access. Tap record on the screen. Now once you hit record, you can easily start speaking and it's gonna record your voice just like this. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.